Hi kids! Today we'll learn about air transport, vehicles that fly in the sky. Let's go on an amazing sky adventure. Aeroplane, Havai Jahaz. It flies high in the sky and carries people from one city to another. Helicopter, helicopter. It can take off and land anywhere, even on rooftops. Hot air balloon, Garam Hava Ka Gubara. It floats gently in the sky using hot air. Glider, glider. It has no engine. It glides smoothly through the air. Rocket, rocket. It travels to space. Astronauts use it to visit the moon and planets. Parachute, parachute. Used to come down safely from high above the ground. Jet, jet viman. Very fast aircraft, used by the army and for travel. Wow, kids! We learned so many flying vehicles today. Now you can tell everyone about air transport, vehicles that fly in the sky. Bye-bye. See you in the next learning video.